In this video, you'll learn how to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet. Following these steps will enable you to transfer your Solana to an exchange, sell it for cash, and finally withdraw the funds to your bank account. This process involves several important actions, so pay close attention to each step. To begin, you will need to send your SOL to an exchange. Choose a platform such as Binance or Coinbase. Once you've selected your exchange, navigate to the section labeled Deposit. This area is usually located on the main dashboard or account overview page. After clicking on Deposit, look for the option to select Solana, often represented by the symbol SOL. Once you have selected Solana, you will see a unique deposit address displayed on the screen. This address is crucial for your transaction. Carefully copy the deposit address by using the copy function available on your device. It is essential to ensure that you do not make any mistakes when copying this address, as sending funds to an incorrect address could result in a loss. Next, open your Phantom wallet. In the wallet interface, locate and click on the Send button. This button is typically found on the main screen of your wallet. After clicking on Send, you will need to select SOL as the cryptocurrency you wish to send. This option will direct you to the next input screen. At this point, paste the deposit address you copied from the exchange into the designated field. After pasting the address, you will need to enter the amount of SOL you wish to transfer. Ensure that the amount you enter is within the limits allowed by the exchange. Once you have confirmed the details are correct, proceed by clicking the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. The transaction may take between 1 to 5 minutes to process depending on network conditions. After your SOL has successfully been sent to the exchange, it is time to sell your cryptocurrency for cash. Return to the exchange's interface and navigate to the section labeled Trade or Sell. Here you will have options to sell your SOL for your local currency. Follow the prompts to complete the sale, ensuring you review the transaction details before finalizing it. Once the sale is complete, you will need to withdraw the funds to your bank account. Click on the withdrawal option, which can typically be found in your account settings or wallet section. Choose the bank transfer method for your withdrawal. Enter your bank details accurately, as this information is necessary for the transfer to be successful. After confirming that all information is correct, click on the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. The money will be sent to your bank account shortly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.